Hello friends, good morning. Now we will continue the chapter number 3rd, atoms and molecules. So topic is molecules of compounds. So atoms of different elements, like H2O, water molecule, hydrogen and oxygen, like that, join together in definite proportion and to form our molecules of compound. Okay, example, water molecule. Okay, water compound, that is H2O. It is made from hydrogen and oxygen. So the mass proportion, mass of hydrogen is 1 and mass of oxygen is 8. So it will be definite proportion. They will combine to form. They are together. Hydrogen and oxygen combines to form definite proportion. That is 1:8. Similarly, another example, ammonia. The formula ammonia is NH3, ammonia. Nitrogen, it is made from nitrogen and 3 atoms of hydrogen. So the atomic mass of nitrogen is 14 and the atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. Here atoms of hydrogen is 3. So we will write here 3. So ratio of mass by 14:3. Similarly, carbon dioxide. It is made from carbon and 2 atoms of oxygen. Okay. So mass proportion 3:8. Now next is what is an ion. So it is a charged species. Charged species. Example, hydrogen H plus ion and Na plus ion. Okay, like that. So the charged species is known as an ion. Positive ion, negative ion. Okay. So positive charge, that is the positive charge. It is known as an ion, and negative charge of an ion, it is known as cation. Similarly, take example, sodium chloride. In a sodium chloride, the positive charge is anion is Na plus ion, sodium ion, and negative ion, that is Cl minus, chloride ion. Okay, so in NaCl, Na plus, that is positive charge, so it is anion, sodium ion. Okay, cation, that is chloride ion. Okay, Na plus and Cl, that is cation, that is anion and cation. Positive charge and negative charge. Now polyatomic ion, a group of atoms carrying a charge. Group of atoms carrying a charge. It is known as polyatomic ion. Example, we take calcium oxide, CaO. Calcium oxide is made from Ca and oxygen. Calcium and oxygen. The mass proportion combined to form 5:2. Magnesium sulfide. It is made from magnesium and sulfur. Magnesium and sulfur. So the mass proportion is 3:4. And sodium chloride, NaCl. It is made from sodium ion and chloride ion. That is Na plus Cl. Sodium and chlorine. The mass proportion of sodium is 23 and chloride, that is chlorine proportion 35.5. Now writing chemical formula, so some rules are there how to write the chemical formula. So charges on the ion must balance. First, charges on the ion must balance. Example, that is Na plus. Okay, NaCl. So charges, that is +1 here, +1. Okay, both the charge will be balanced first. So charges on the ion must balance. When compound consists of metal and non-metal, the name or symbols of the metal is write the first. Example, NaCl. So sodium is a metal. Okay, so this sodium metal, we have to first write the symbol of metal. Okay, or name should be right first. and then after non-metal, chlorine is non-metal, then after right side you write down the non-metal name or the symbol. So wet compound consists of metal and non-metal. Metal and non-metal. NaCl compound, it is metal, it is non-metal. Okay, metal and non-metal. The symbol of first, you should write first the metal name or the symbol of metal first, write, and then after write non-metal symbols. Okay. So we have to write down some simple formula of hydrogen chloride first. So symbol of hydrogen H, and symbol of chloride, chlorine is Cl. Okay, hydrogen first, Cl ion. So here valency of hydrogen +1 and the valency of chlorine is -1. Now cross multiply. Both the valency, it will be balanced here. So write here first simple, that is H into Cl. So hydrogen chloride, the formula of hydrogen chloride is HCl. Similarly, formula of hydrogen sulfide. Symbol first write, symbol. Hydrogen symbol H. Sulfide symbol, that is sulfur, S. Okay. Now we will write down the valency. Hydrogen +1. Valency of hydrogen is +1. Sulfur valency is -2. Okay. Cross multiply. H2. So write here formula of hydrogen sulfide, that is H2 and S. H2S. The formula of hydrogen sulfide is H2S. Formula of carbon tetrachloride. So first write the symbol. Symbol of carbon C. Symbol of chloride, that is chlorine, Cl. Okay. Now valency write. Carbon 4 valency and chlorine -1. Okay. Cross. So formula of carbon tetrachloride, that is C1, that is CCl4, CCl4, carbon tetrachloride. 4 means tetra, carbon tetrachloride. Okay, then continue. That is formula of magnesium chloride. So first you write down the symbol. Symbol of magnesium Mg and chloride, that is Ca. Symbol of chlorine, that is Cl. Now charge write. Charge of magnesium +2 and charge of chlorine -1. So the what is the formula? Formula of magnesium chloride is MgCl2. So the formula of magnesium chloride is MgCl2, magnesium chloride. Similarly, another formula is formula for aluminium oxide. So symbol first write. Symbol for aluminium Al, oxide O, oxygen O. Now charge write. Charge aluminium +3 charge, oxygen -2 charge. So write here formula aluminum oxide Al2O3. So the formula of aluminum oxide is Al2O3. Similarly, formula for calcium oxide. So first write the symbol calcium Ca, oxide O. Now charge write. Charge of calcium +2, oxide -2 oxygen. Okay. So here the formula Ca2O2. It is also written as simplification CaO because both the charge are equal. Well, that is +2 and -2, both the charge having equal. So if you should write as for simplification, we should write here CaO, calcium oxide. Now sodium nitrate. Sodium nitrate. So first write the symbol of sodium and nitrate NO3. The symbol of nitrate is NO3. Now should write here the charge. Charge of sodium +1 and charge of nitrate, okay, -1. So we should write here the formula of the sodium nitrate. Formula of the sodium nitrate NaNO3. Sodium nitrate formula. Now formula of calcium hydroxide. So first write the symbol. Symbol of calcium Ca. Symbol of hydroxide ion OH. Okay. So we should write here first the charge calcium +2 OH -1 charge OH -1 charge. Now we should write here the formula Ca OH twice, okay, OH twice, calcium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide. Now the sodium carbonate formula. Sodium, that is first write the symbol of sodium and carbonate CO3. Now the charge sodium +1 CO3 -2 charge. CO3 has -2 charge. Now we should write the formula Na2CO3. Na2CO3, sodium carbonate. Similar formula of ammonium sulfate. Symbol write first ammonium and H4 sulfate SO4 and H4 and SO4. Now ammonium charge +1 charge +1 SO4 -2 charge. So formula NH4 twice SO4 ammonium sulfate. Now next topic is molecular mass and mole concept. So what is the molecular mass? Sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms in a molecule of the substance, it is known as molecular mass. So sum of the atomic masses, sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms in a molecule, it is known as molecular masses. We take example here. Calculate the relative molecular mass of water. So first we have to write down the water molecule, that is atomic mass of all the, that is hydrogen atom and oxygen atom. So calculate the relative molecular mass. So for the water, relative atomic mass, relative, we have to calculate the relative molecular mass, relative molecular mass of water molecule. So here two atom of hydrogen atom and one atom oxygen. Here the atomic number of hydrogen is 1, atomic mass number of oxygen is 16 and atomic mass of nitrogen is 14 unit. So here what are that? H2, 2 atom of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. So here 2 hydrogen atomic mass number is 1 and oxygen atomic mass number is 16. So here 2 1 2 plus 16, so that is 18 atomic mass unit. So water molecule, that is here atomic mass unit is 18 unit. Atomic mass unit symbol is U. Similarly, we have to write down the calculate the molecular mass of HNO3. So right here molecular mass of HNO3. So you should write here hydrogen atom plus nitrogen atom plus 3 atoms of oxygen. Okay, here O3, the 3 atom of oxygen. Now the atomic mass number of hydrogen is 1. Atomic mass of nitrogen is 14 and 3 times, that is oxygen atom 16. Atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So 1 plus 14, that is 15. 16 3 are 48. So 8 plus 5, 13, carry 1, 5, 6, 63 unit. Now next topic is formula unit mass. Formula of unit mass. The formula of unit mass of a substance is the sum of the atomic masses. Sum of the atomic masses of all the atoms in a formula unit of a compound. So in example, calculate the formula of unit mass of calcium chloride, CaCl2, calcium chloride. The atomic mass number of calcium is 14 unit and atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5 unit. The same way, the formula of unit mass, of calcium chloride, CaCl. So first Ca atom and 2 times chloride atom. Okay. So calcium Ca 14 units plus 2 times chlorine, that is 35.5. Okay. Simplify it. 40, 35, 70, 71. So 1, so that is 111 units. Now we discuss about the mole concept. Now we will concept about the mole. As is familiar, that is 1 dozen. Okay, 1 dozen banana. That is how many numbers there are? 12 numbers. 1 dozen equal to 12 number. So like that it is a mole. Okay. So 1 mole of any substance, the number is fixed. Okay. With a value of 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. Italian scientist find out Italian scientist Avogadro. And from the scientist's name, it is known as the Avogadro's number. This 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. This number it is known as the Avogadro's number. Write a short question will ask in exam. Write the value of the Avogadro's number. What is the Avogadro's number? What is the answer? That will be 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. Okay, particles or the numbers. So 1 mole equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 number. This is the relative mass in gram. So like there is 1 dozen 12 numbers as you familiar. 1 gross equal to 144 numbers like that. 1 mole equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 3 numbers. Okay, 1 mole equal to. Now related to this example, calculate the number of moles for 52 gram of the helium. Now molar mass is given of helium is 4 atomic mass unit and 12.044 10 to 23 numbers of helium atom. We have to find out the number of moles. Number of moles in 52 gram of helium. So number of moles, that is given mass is 52 upon molar mass of helium. So what is the given mass? That is 52 gram and molar mass is 4 gram. Okay, 52 divided by 4, 13 4 jar. So that is 13. Okay, number of moles will be 13. Now number of moles, that is for the we calculate the 12.044 into 10 to 3 number. Here number is given and we have to find out the number of moles in that number. So for that, number of moles equal to the given number of particles upon Avogadro's number, as we know that the Avogadro's number. So given number of particles, that is 12.044 into 10 raised to 23 divided by Avogadro's number 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. So 6 2 are 12. Okay. So here write the 2. The number of moles will be 2. Now the next example, that is 3.4, calculate the mass of the following. The molar mass of nitrogen is 14 is given. Point, that is first question, is 0.5 mole of nitrogen gas. That is 1/2 mole. 0.5, that is 1/2 mole of nitrogen gas. Now as you know that the number of moles equal to given mass upon molar mass. Number of moles equal to given mass upon molar mass. Now we have to calculate the mass of the following. The mass calculate. So mass equal to number of moles multiplied by molar mass. Molar mass multiplied by number of moles. So what is the molar mass of nitrogen? 14. Okay, here N2 gas. So that is 2N. Okay, multiplied by molar mass 14. Multiplied by number of moles 0.5. It is given. So nitrogen, that is 2 into 14. Here write 2 nitrogen atom, that is 14. Okay, molar mass of nitrogen is N2 gas is given. So nitrogen 2 times multiplied by number of moles 0.5. So 14 to 28, 0.5, that is 1 by 2. So that is 14. 20 divided by 2, that is 14. 0.5 mole of nitrogen gas is 40 gram. Is measured in gram. Similarly, another 0.5 mole of N atoms. We have calculated first N2 gas, now N atoms. So mass equal to molar mass multiplied by number of moles. So molar mass of nitrogen, that is N atom, that is 14, multiplied by number of moles 0.5, that is 1/2. So that is 7 gram. Now the particle is given 3.011 into 10 raised to 23 numbers of N atoms. We have to calculate the mass. We have to find out the mass of N atoms. So number of moles, it is given number of particles upon Avogadro's number. Okay, number of moles equal to given number of particles, the given number of particles upon Avogadro's number. So number of moles equal to given number of particles upon Avogadro's number. So given number of particles, it is given 3.011. Now number of mole, that is N atom. Okay, that is for nitrogen, that is molar mass 14. So 14 multiplied by given number of particles 3.011 multiplied by 10 raised to 23 upon Avogadro's number 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. As we previously discussed about what is the Avogadro's number, 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. For simplify, 3 2 is 6, that is 14 divided by 2, so that is 7 gram. Now fourth one, calculate the mass of the following, that is 6.022 10 raised to 23 number of N2 molecules for N2 molecule. So number of moles for N2 molecule, okay, N2 molecule, that is given number of particles upon Avogadro's number. So given number of particles, that is for nitrogen atom, that is molar mass of nitrogen is 14. So 14 to ja 28 multiply by, that is given number of particles 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 number upon, what is the Avogadro's number, 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. Simplify, that is equal to 28 gram. Similarly, you can write down the homework, that is example, last example, that is 3.5. You should calculate in this same manner. You write down in your notebook.